In this video, I'm going to show you how to set number of steps or how to set steps goal on Apple Watch. Go to your app library and find out this activity app. Open the activity app and here tap on this menu icon. And here we can see the move goal. Just scroll down and tap on change goals. And here we can see move goal. You can just go ahead and increase or decrease your move goal or calories from here. Let's select here 500 calories. And then we can see exercise goal. Also you can change exercise duration or minutes. Let's select here 40 minutes. And here we can see the stand goal. You can go ahead and adjust this stand goal here. Then just tap on set and that's it. You have successfully added your steps goals for your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.